This is a hyper tough padlock that I got from Walmart that I was going to do an out of the pack on. And when I was doing it, I had it open twice and didn't even know it because the shackle didn't pop. I had my hand on it and it just wouldn't go anywhere because the spring's not really that great. But let's see if I can get it raked open because it's funny which locks will give you trouble sometimes. Come on. I mean, that's a ridiculous amount of time. There we go. Yeah, so it can be raked open. I was using top of the keyway. I might switch back to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And I might just overset number 4. 1, 2, 3. Yep, and it's open. So that's just the hyper tough padlock from Walmart. But like I said, it's weird what kind of locks can give you problems sometimes. Some of them are just so bad they're good, and like this thing is just wonky with the feedback, and I didn't even know the lock was open twice, and I got frustrated and stopped the video and then had to do this, which is not an out of pack, and this is not something I would normally do, but there you go.